video, I'm going to show you how you can take a photo of a pet and convert it into a beautiful, ready to print portrait, right? And from just a single keyword. That means if you imagine your pet, right, as a king, you can do that with keeping the details exactly the same. It's not going to change the pet anymore, right? We've been getting a lot of requests for that, so we finally fixed it. Okay, so if you go to AI design agents, and this was the feature already there, but we fixed it. We fixed the keeping the accuracy of the the details, the pet details, and also so many things, right? The image quality and stuff like that. You're gonna love it, right? So for this, you come to AI design agents, come to pet portraits, and then choose from library, right? And let's say I pick any photo, right? For example, I pick, and you can do any pet, right? Dogs, cats, whatever you want, right? Let's say I pick this. Let me actually see if I can find something okay, let's pick this example, right? Let's say I want to do them as a pirate, for example, right? Generate. That's it. You don't need to worry about the prompt. You don't need to worry about what do I do, what should I type, which will give me the best results. It will do everything for you. And all you'll see is a beautiful illustration, just like this. How powerful it is, right? And while this is getting generated, I want to show you one more example. So go to pet portraits, choose from library. I'm gonna pick another image. Let's say this time I'll try with this image, and let's say this time I want a warrior, for example, right? Anything you can think of: warrior, pirate, knight, anything that you think that people pay for, right? And it's just for the canvas and for the frame. And look at that. Just look at that. How powerful it is. Look at that. Pretty powerful, right? And then you can regenerate the designs. The main idea with this, guys, right? These are, and then, to convert this, look at that. Boom. Look at it. Right? Keeping the details, keeping everything intact. People love this, right? And now what you can do, you can customize, you can add some other details if you want to. If not, you can now go to, let's say, design assistant, go to AI, where is that? AI upscaler, right? And then you can actually, for example, upscale these, right? And convert to 300 DPI and make these ready to print for canvas printing, for a decor, or for gifting, or to sell it on Etsy, right? And that's the power. Look at that. Sharp details, exact details. Look at that. Pretty powerful, right? Let me show you one more thing, because I love this, right? So design agents, pet portrait, choose from library. You can upload. I'm just picking from library because I have a lot of designs over here. I have a lot of images over here. So let's say, okay, let's try him. So let's see. All right, so let's say this time I want a samurai, right? So you can do anything you can think of, right? Any clothing, like an astronaut, if you were to say, right? Like I will try with an astronaut. It would be pretty cool, right? Agents, pet portrait, choose from library. I'm just gonna pick again. We're gonna take this and then the astronaut. Boom. You're gonna love the results, right? And this thing finally solved the issue of accuracy of the pet, and not being able to show the details. And sometimes you see, like, okay, he's looking instead of he's looking into the camera, he's looking there. No worries, you can create again. That's the power of Artistly. You can come here, you can go, You can say again, let's say I'm gonna just upload this character. Oh, sorry, not upload the photo of the pet. And let's say I want again, right? Samurai, right? That's the thing. You can be detailed enough if you want to, right? I want like, okay, I want the, because you see on Etsy, right? A lot of people, whoa, look at that, pretty good, like pretty neat, right? Look at that, it's very powerful. And you can obviously, and this actually gives you a prompt, an armored suit with illuminated helmet, right? And then you can play with it. You can say covered prompt or a covered astronaut suit and stuff like that. You're not happy with it, right? Look at that, samurai. How cool it is, right? Look at that. That's the power, right? That's what you can do with this upgrade, right? Is the accuracy details is finally solved. So you can do this for yourself. You can sell these portraits where people want it to be printed as a canvas, right? For gifting, just endless possibilities, right? So I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.